Hello students, welcome again. How are you all? In this video, I will solve exercise 1.1 and the questions which I solve are question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, and I hope you are enjoying the learning by this way and you are regularly doing your homework. So be sincere. Okay, the question number are exercise 1.1 and I will solve questions from 8 to 11. Okay students, and all these questions are related to multiplicative inverse, reciprocals and other properties of rational numbers. So regarding these three concepts I am going to solve the remaining questions. Question number 8 is, first I am going to solve question number 8. This question is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 and 1 upon 8. Okay, why or why not? I am not written the question completely because you all have the books. So this question is about the multiplicative inverse. I told you what is a multiplicative inverse of a given number. Means अगर कोई नंबर गिवन है तो उसका multiplicative inverse उस नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होके 1 आउटपुट देता है. ओके, करेक्ट. सो 8 upon 9. Now we will check the product of this and this number. 8 upon 9 multiplied by minus 1 and 1 upon 8, that is 8 upon 9 into, this is a mixed fraction, so we will convert into a simple fraction. 8 1 ja 8 and 8 plus 1 9, it is minus 9 upon 8 because minus sign is already there. Now you can see that 8 can be cancelled, 9 can be cancelled, the answer is minus 1, but it should be 1 only. देखिए जब भी दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और दोनों में से कोई एक मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होता है किसी दूसरे का, तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 1 होता है, ओनली 1, माइनस 1 नहीं होना चाहिए. इट मीन्स द आंसर इज नो. सो वी राइट नो बिकॉज 8 upon 9 into minus 1 and 1 upon 8 not equal to 1, or you can say no because their product is not equal to 1. So this is the answer. I hope it's very easy. Move to question number 9. If you do practice regularly, these questions will become easier for you and no doubt the subject will be easier as you will feel by the regular practice. So here question number 9 is 0.3. The multiplicative inverse of 3 and 1 upon 3. Why or why not? So 0.3 and 3 and 1 upon 3. Again we will follow same method. So we check that the product of both these number is 1 or not. So first number is this, second is this. Now 0.3 into 3 and 1 upon 3. If you remove the decimal, you have 10 in the denominator and convert it into simple fraction. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, it is 10 upon 3. Okay, as you can see all the numbers are cancelled out and we have 1. Now it is 1, it means this is the reciprocal of, this is the multiplicative inverse of this. It is also called the reciprocal property. Okay, so we will write yes because their product is 1. This is the answer. and if you are doing in your fair copy of maths, then you have to solve using proper steps. आपको स्टेप्स सारी लिखनी है, बिकॉज तभी आप क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से अटेम्प्ट करना सीखेंगे. आप रफ कॉपी में आंसर चेक कर सकते हैं सॉल्व करके, रफ वर्क, बट इन योर फेयर कॉपी यू हैव टू डू इन दिस वे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. And students, see all the videos regularly of your relative subjects, and I am solving question number 10. 10th question is, there are 3 parts, so I am solving all the 3 parts. The rational number that doesn't have a reciprocal. The rational number that doesn't have a reciprocal. Okay students, these 3 parts are important, but they are very easy. You can see the the rational number that doesn't have a reciprocal. Just think about it. Is it possible? Means ऐसा कोई rational number हो सकता है जिसका reciprocal possible ही ना हो. Think about a number, suppose 6. As you know, its reciprocal is 1 upon 6. Because 6 can be written 6 upon 1, reciprocal is 1 upon 6. So, just think about other numbers. कोई ऐसा नंबर हो सकता है जिसका reciprocal possible ना हो. So, the answer will be 0. Okay? You will write answer 0. So, you can also give the reason in this way. Answer is 0 because the reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0. Why? 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. So the reciprocal will be 1 upon 0 because 1 upon 0 is not defined. What is the meaning of this not defined? Not defined means we cannot determine the value of this. What is the value of 1 upon 0? Okay. So sometimes it is called infinite because it is not a number. In mathematics, डिवाइडिंग बाय 0 इज नॉट अलाउड. आप किसी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग आई टेल यू, यू ऑल हैव कैलकुलेटर्स एट योर होम. जस्ट ट्राई टू डिवाइड 1 by 0 or 2 by 0, any number by 0, the calculator will display the error message, either error or division not possible. ओके, इस तरह के मैसेज आपको स्क्रीन में मिलेंगे. सो द आंसर विल बी 0. एंड सेकेंड पार्ट इज rational numbers that are equal to the reciprocals. So rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals, and this part is similar to, okay, there is no other question similar to this question. So rational numbers that are equal to the reciprocal means, is there any number whose reciprocal is equal to that number? The answer is 1 and -1. Why this is so? Because reciprocal of 1 is 1. 1 upon 1 means 1, and the reciprocal of -1 is again -1, because -1 upon 1, if you convert into reciprocal, again it will be -1. So 1 का रेसिप्रोकल भी 1 होता है और -1 का रेसिप्रोकल -1 होता है. मीन्स द रेसिप्रोकल्स आर इक्वल टू देमसेल्व्स. थर्ड पार्ट, स्टूडेंट्स, you can not pause the video and note. And third part, ये छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज इससे आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर होंगे. ओके, थर्ड पार्ट इज द रेशनल नंबर दैट इज इक्वल टू इट्स नेगेटिव. सो हियर आई विल नॉट सॉल्व थर्ड पार्ट. दिस क्वेश्चन इज लेफ्ट फॉर यू. You will solve this. If you have doubt in third part, you can write in doubt section. Okay. Next question is 11. There are 6 parts. First part is 0 has blank reciprocal. So the answer will be no reciprocal. It is not number, okay? It is no, 0 is no reciprocal. So some questions of 11th, some parts of 11th question are same as the parts of 10th question. Not all. कुछ questions जो है वो 10th के जैसे ही हैं. Why it is so? Because 0 can be written as 0.1, but the reciprocal is 1/0, and you have seen that in question 10 it is undefined, so 0 has no reciprocal. Okay. Second part, the numbers this and this are there on reciprocals. Again this question is similar to some part of 10th question, so answer will be 1 and -1, means 1 is the reciprocal of itself and -1 is the reciprocal of itself. Next is third, the reciprocal of -5 is, so reciprocal of -5 is -1/5, and there is very important thing about finding the reciprocals. If you find reciprocal of a number, just change the numerator and denominators, but don't change the sign. Okay, so this is negative, reciprocal will be negative, just change the numerators and denominators. It is 5/1, you can think, then reciprocal will be 1/5 and we will put same sign. So always be careful. Next is fourth part, reciprocal of 1/x. Reciprocal of 1/x where x not equal to 0. So as you can see, reciprocal of 1/x, again change both the values, answer will be x/1 and you can write it as x simply. But why this condition is given, x not equal to 0? Whenever in mathematics you see a variable in denominator like x and y, always you will find this condition, because if x equals 0 then it is undefined. Okay, I told you before few minutes that 1/0 is undefined, so x will not be 0. x कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता, डिनोमिनेटर कभी भी 0 नहीं होता, ठीक है. So reciprocal of 1/x is x. Now fifth and sixth parts, these are also important, you will solve. यहाँ पर मैं solve नहीं करूँगा, you will solve the remaining questions of this exercise, okay, which I have left. And if you will have any doubt, you can ask in doubt section. So students, be sincere, study regularly. आपको रोज स्टडी करनी है, because I am solving 3 or 4 questions every day, not more than 3 or 4 questions. So gradually we will learn everything and we will finish this chapter, no doubt, but you should be punctual with the study. Okay, I hope you enjoying. Have a nice time.